Hi, welcome to the another video. So in this video I will show you how you can apply for the PCO license online, and you can request for the application pack. So first you need to register. You must be on this website. I will put the link of this website into my description of this video. If you go below near the comments, then you can click and you can carry on. First you need to register. Click on the register over here, then just fill the details. So select please personal. You're not doing business authorized third party. So then you just fill the details, then register. So when you register, then you will be able to log in. So click login, then put your email and the password which you just put it to register, then login. Okay, so when you log in, now we're gonna apply for the application now. So we're gonna go to the service, and all the services here. Apply for a new PHP driver. So we're gonna click apply now here. Yeah, so are you at least 21 years of? Yes. So have you held the UKRE stating driving license for the last 3 years? Yes. Have you undergone an enhanced criminal record check through the DBS? Yes. You must subscribe. Yeah, you must subscribe to the DBS update service as well. They are saying the photo, you have to upload the photo, and there's after that they're asking for your details as well. It's very simple. For your driving license details, select driving license DVLA and enter the number. Yeah, it's simple. You're gonna put your share code as well. It's very simple. So to get the share code, just write it down in Google. DVLA share code. Put your driving license details, and you need your NI number. You will type. They're asking for driving license details. They're asking for your UKRE national. Some people have a share code. Let's see what they're gonna ask for that. For the DBS now, have you applied for the enhanced DBS certificate through TFL authorized DBS service provider? Yes. DBS reference number, confirm the subscription. You're gonna put everything over here. They're asking for the medical declaration. Yeah, you should have a medical as well. Then you can upload from there. about the payment. So yeah, so you're gonna put the card details here. So I'm gonna stop the video here. When you're gonna make the payment, then you'll be able to go back and you can see your applications over there. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question, you can see my number. Try to please text me or send me audio. I will try to help you. Thank you so much.